Hi guys, it's been a while. So I'm going to be making. I actually want to eat fried rice, but I don't have carrots, the veggies. So what I'm going to do is I'll probably call it native fried rice because of the pepper and tomato. So these are chopped pepper and tomato, chopped onions, garlic and ginger, my seasoning, and then I'd already fried my eggs scrambled. And I'm going to be using this one just for more flavor. I'm going to be using oregano, obviously dark soy sauce because you cannot just be doing fashion in this house. Then my curry and then my thyme. So these are the things I'm just using, and let's jump right into it. I'm using my hand to film this video. I don't want to use my tripod, so I'm going to be adding a little oil and so added my pepper and tomato, onions, ginger and garlic. I'm just going to let that fry. So I'm going to be adding my spices now, which is curry, so I'm going to be adding my egg now. And a bit of soy sauce. So that's how it looks. I'm going to be adding my rice now. Oh, the flavors from this. Like I can already perceive all the flavors in it. You guys, this I just mixed the rice and hey Jesus. This is so sweet. I can't even believe how it turned out because at first I was not serious. I'm like, let me just go and do what I can do there. But the taste is way better than how it looks. Honestly, I can't even wait to start eating it. What? I didn't even believe this is how it will turn out. Wow. So this is native fried rice. Call it whatever you want to call it, but that's what I have in my house and I have to make do. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Yeah. Thank you. See you next time. Let me test it. This habit I've been cultivating. I've been eating fresh onions since COVID-19. Oh my god. This is so good. I can't even believe it. Tastes so good. I don't even know if it's the soy sauce I added to it. I don't just know what I did. Like, so good. Oh, this is a very good decision. So, please guys, don't forget to subscribe. My mouth is full. Bye. I'm sure you've been hearing one beeping sound. So sorry. My inverter is low and I cannot turn it off because I need light. So I'm sorry for the noise. I promise next time you won't even hear any such noise. And don't forget to follow my Instagram page. I think the first day I made parfait, yeah, and other good stuffs there. So sorry, there's always noise in my house. If it's not the AC, it's the inverter, like, or the baby. Bye.